What's up, you guys? It's your girl Talisha Shantwine. I am back with another vlog. Somehow I have started a vlog in the absolute middle of the day because Mr. wanted to take your girl out today. So right as we were leaving out the door, he was like, why don't you just go ahead and vlog? So that's what we're doing. So if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you are oldie but goodie, thank you for coming back, girl. All right, so I think our first stop is going to be Top Golf. I'm about to go kick some ass in Top Golf. And I think this is going to be a double date. So it's going to be Eric's friend Courtney and his fiance. All right. So we're going to hang out with them a little bit today. And then I think we're going to get ice cream and then possibly bowling and then going to South End to be outside. So yeah, we're just hanging out today. And I will show you guys my outfit of the day. The shirt is a Zara crop top. The jeans are Wild Fable from Target. And my sneaks are my Dunks. I don't know what Dunks they are, but they are Dunks. And yeah, and then y'all already know I'm transitioning. But you guys should see a review for this headband wig. It should be out before this is out. But yeah, I'm wearing this. It is aiding in my transition back to natural. You over here dropping things?
I think your things, your lens.
Oh, okay. So we just got Mr. his first Hoochie Daddies.
Thanks to
He
Daddy.
is now a part of the Hoochie Daddy gang.
Gang, gang, Hoochie Daddy, gang, gang. Yes, sir. Now I gotta do legs between now and
Yeah,
July.
gotta get your legs together so you'll be ready.
I got some creases in these legs. Straight muscle.
My baby is part of the Hoochie Daddy gang.
Gang, gang. 100.
All night. Just me and my baby in our house. No worries at all. Listening to the
Tell him this, Diddy Mitch. Junior want to not be on my ex-strippers, new killers, shot. Tell him, just on Donda, on my mama, made a promise. Junior want to not be on my. Junior want to not be on my. Tell him this, Diddy Mitch. Junior want to not be on my. I can't really see where did I miss. Junior want to not be on my. Junior want to not be on my. All summer, all summer, $4-5 in pajamas, they piranhas, buy out the store and now it's like we planned it. Junior want to not be on my. Junior want to not be on my. Tell him this, Diddy Mitch. Junior want to not be on my. I can't really see where did I miss. Junior want to not be on my. 4-5 summers, 4-5 summers, 4-5 summers, 4-5 summers. We took both, we took both, we took both, we took both. Born in Atlanta, now Montana, excuse my manners, I got status, excuse my manners, I got status, I got status, you want status, see more comments, and I see commas, they gon' tell me, we going down to, let me be honest, I went with the Bucks, boy, let me be honest, I went with the Bucks, boy, spirit is on us, spirit is thunder, God's time can't fit on the wrist.
Guys, I don't have any points. I'm still sitting at 0 points. Eric got 60 points. I'm starting to feel away. Whatever.
She'll be back.
Because when we go bowling, if we go bowling, kicking ass. I always beat him in bowling. Why are you looking like that ain't fat?
It ain't bad.
That is fat.
It happened. I mean, we only bowled once. It happened before.
Well,
I don't mean
it's
it's gonna
fat.
always happen.
It has happened. Fact show that he gets whooped. And I'm talking whooped in the bowling. You stay aiming for the little
She
man.
got it. She got it.
Okay, Courtney, we gotta get our weight up.
Come on, honey. There you go. There you go. There you go. Brandon to get in here and kill all of them. See? See what I mean? See what I mean? In
In the hole. In that
Brandon to
middle
fight
one.
all of them. Man. In the crib.
We need to find some. What is it called? Nike?
I'm sure you gotta go like the Flight Club or something like that.
Yeah, what's the sport this
I
time?
got another.
Alright, babe. I gotta turn on.
I'm thinking this thing is cheating. It still say I ain't getting no points.
But you did. You gotta switch it. Switch it to put me in 0
This thing is cheating.
Mine right. But does the outside ones not count? I need a
I
map.
think it's just the green one.
But you got it in the green one. Like it was in one of the first holes in the circle. Just throw it next time when they're not looking.
So we at the bowling alley now, guys. I'm about to win because I did not win at Top Golf. But that's because they didn't give me enough practice rounds. Why are you looking like that?
You got to do what?
I'm about to win. You already know. You know what time it is. So we are at Strike City in Uptown Charlotte in the Epic Center. It's one of the only things that's left open up here because everything is closed down up here. So I'm about to kick some arse and
I don't want to hear nothing about no. It's because I got nails.
I do have nails. Look at this, guys. I need to fill in, but my nails are long. That would be the only reason why I lost, if I lost.
For real?
Yes.
What about somebody really kicking your ass?
You not
Like me.
good. You're
Huh?
not good.
I'm good.
No, you're not.
You only saw me go once.
That was enough.
I'm good.
You're not good, y'all.
I'm good. I'm good. She just, I let her win last time. So
He did not.
It went
Do
to
not-
her head. It went straight to her head.
He did not let me win, y'all. I won fair and square. And he lost fair and square. And he wasn't the only one that lost. I beat a whole group of guys.
Just remember. Remember this.
And I think he had like the least amount of points.
No, I didn't. I was right behind you. I was second place.
Okay, I was putting 20 on 10.
Yeah. Yes,
Right
it was.
outside. TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG. Right outside. TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. off a Finsta. Just do on a hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now, I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG. Right outside, PT. 2-turn, baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. 2-turn, baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in it.
Right outside, PT. 2-turn, baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me,
But who's winning? Talk to him, babe. Talk to him.
Listen, nobody wants to beat their baby. I'm not beating my baby.
Boy!
But I'm right behind my baby girl.
But who winning?
She's up. You ain't winning.
You can't even say I'm winning.
She's up.
I'm winning.
By what? You winning by what?
2 points.
She's
but winning
up.
is winning.
She's up by 2.
I'm winning by 2. Why you can't even say it? It's cold-blooded, babe.
She's up by 2.
I'm winning by 2.
Bacon bowl. Again. But if she was just beating people that can't bowl, she'd have 120 and they wouldn't have shit. So she's winning. She's up. She's doing good.
Thank you. Okay. So, he did not do too bad. We tied.
Well, if we tied, that means she did not do too bad. You gonna put it on me. I didn't do too bad and she didn't do too bad. We both ended up with 97.
We got 97 points. Nobody broke 100 first round or second round. Courtney did beat us. He broke 100 both rounds. But we did good.
He did.
You salty about it?
Yeah, I'm very salty. I know how he get down. He ain't no bowler. Tonight was just his night. We all know bowling is just like, it's like one of them moods. You might wake up on a good mood. You might wake up in a bad mood. That's how his bowling was tonight. He was on his good stuff. Not that good. Really ain't.
Stop being a hater.
I am hating though.
Hating.
But my boy won though. He did twice. 2 times in a row. He did. He beat me. I'm sorry, man. We didn't take the trophy.
It's
home.
okay. It's okay. I had a good time. Good time had by all.
But wait, if we tally up to what we beat them, right?
No.
We still lost. Never mind.
Didn't we?
Good.
Oh, no, we did.
We beat 'em.
We did beat them if we
As a
tallied it
team.
up. As a team,
We beat y'all.
beat y'all.
But I wanted to add.
So we can't do that? Oh, okay.
That shit was fun though. We gotta do this more often,
We
baby.
do. I'm
Baby,
ready to kick your ass.
Baby, you nice though. Baby, nice. Nice.
I have focus.
And she did good with these
laser
nails.
focus.
I thought
Yes,
these nails
with my
were play a
nails.
factor. She did good.
We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon.